You've probably heard of lemongrass. This plant is discovered and used in many houses throughout the world, whether it was your grandmother, mother, or aunt. This plant has a close relationship to mint and boldo. Lemongrass includes polyphenols, terpenes, tannins, flavonoids, and other phytochemicals that aid in its antioxidant properties. Its antioxidant activity can help to reduce free radicals, protect the heart, prevent brain diseases, and even cancer. Its properties aid in intestinal transit time while also providing a sensation of serenity and health. Learn about the herb's benefits and how to use it at home. 1. It relieves stomach pain. It protects the liver and alleviates reflux symptoms. These feelings are frequently triggered by stress, resulting in gastrointestinal problems. As a result, it is an excellent ally for indigestion and anxiety. 2. Cramping is reduced. Because of its relaxing effect, it relieves menstrual cramps. It's soothing. Because the essential oils in the plant are calming and tranquil, its oil can also be used to help you relax during a massage. 3. Controls the bowel. Because it is fibrous, it aids in the relief of intestinal cramps. It is also appropriate for mothers in their first few weeks of pregnancy. To prepare, just cover the lemongrass leaves in boiling water for a few minutes. Then filter and drink 1 to 3 glasses each day. High dosages may result in a slowing heart rate and low blood pressure. Have you appreciated this video? Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more videos such as this one. Thank you for taking
Ice
the
in my
time
veins,
to
I've been
watch.
driving this
Also,
train.
keep
Years
an
in this
optimistic
lane, there's no
outlook on
stopping
life.
this flame.